Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. So, this is the Kaneshi market where buying and selling is done here. Today, I'm not really working so much from the comfort of my home, but rather doing most of this work here in the market. This is an order someone placed after watching my Tom Brown videos on YouTube. Yes, YouTube does not only give you subscription and viewership, but also can pave way for you to start your own business. It's so exciting to have good feedback on the videos you do and give you something to work on. Today, what I'm working on is our regular maize. So you can see two different types of maize, but today I'm going for the cream one with a combination of some yellow maize. I'm doing two sections of food here for babies and even adults. This food is enjoyed mostly in Ghana for breakfast, lunch, and even dinner. The amazing thing is how it is prepared. From this process, I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by going through this machine and coming out with some amazing food products with just maize. In order to get this food, goes through a lot of process, and this is the machine that takes the first layer of the maize away. So what remains will be just the food itself with the first layer of the maize taken away. This is repeated about 2 to 3 times, and as you can see, the first layer blows away and then the heavy ones remain here in this bowl. This machine is located right in the Kaneshi market to help people who do not have such machines to make their food products here in the market. So I didn't even really have to take the maize home and then clean and then come back to the market, but everything goes on here in the Kaneshi market. And believe me, in Ghanaian market, you see a lot of people doing such businesses right in the markets so that people who come to the market get it so easy to work on whatever they need to work on right there in the market. It is spread across all the markets in Ghana, Mokola market, Agbogloshi market. You will see people doing such businesses here, and I'm so much in love with how work goes on here. After crushing the dry maize into medium pieces, I bring it here into the second machine to be crushed into a semi-smooth texture. This is done twice, so it doesn't really get so smooth, neither is it as big as the initial one you saw. At the end of the day, this is the outcome, not really smooth, and that is how we enjoy it. So today I decided to respond to someone I actually met on my YouTube channel. She ordered for some products made with maize, and I'm here at the Kaneshi market to get it done. So there is this Ghanaian food called Oblayo and then Ekwegbeme. The Ekwegbeme is a fine one, not really fine, but when the milling machine crushes it, it gives you not really a smooth in between. It just look like this. It looks fine, but not really. So it is just dried maize and crushed into particles like sand. This is the Ekwegbeme, and this one is the Oblayo. As you can see, it is well done. It was milled about thrice, and then I have this food. It is enjoyed as breakfast here in Ghana, both this meal, and it is prepared. We use maize actually in preparing it. So I went through the process with you. I'm going to pack this and then send it to my customer at Takrady.
Amu machine kuntu machine be ye bro abi mama obe ya mamu ala ya mama na obe ya me boye sa ya mama ana amu eni mo ko drive
e bro na dia ni na wo ye me wo sa wo ye Ekwegbeme
obe ye bro no wa be yi mama ana obe ya Tom Brown
okay
Tom Brown so eni Ekwegbeme obe ye bro no ansa
why
ansa why it is obe ye Ekwegbeme obe ya Oblayo obe ya Tom Brown Obaya moko driver. Obaya mantus.
Ni na mo ye wa ase. Mo number bi e betimi afre mo.
054 1927
Okay. That's all right. So when I come back home like this, I put the food products in containers like this or any of the bigger containers I want to pack this into. But here it goes. It is so warm that I want to leave it overnight. So what I do here is this cup, I measure and then put it into something like this. But for now, since I'm giving it to somebody not here in Accra, I'm giving everything you see here to the person. So I part it like this so that it can cool down. It is still very hot. So it is very necessary you allow the product to breathe a little before you pack it in containers like this, because it just came out of the machine and it's so hot. I do same with this Ekwegbeme. As you can see, it's just so nice. And trust me, preparing food with this, oh my god, if anyone has tried Ekwegbeme or Oblayo before, kindly let me know. Let people also know how delicious this meal is. Is this Ekwegbeme and Oblayo is always a meal you can go for in the morning. The Oblayo itself can be enjoyed in the afternoon, and I tell you, any day, anytime, you can enjoy this. So guys, this is an order I had on my YouTube channel after posting my video on Tom Brown, and yes, I'll go on and on and on till this become a very big something for me. Yes, you can also hit me and then order any cereal meal you want, and I'll provide it for you. Thank you so much.